rise from beneath the sand. The instinct with miracles seems so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away.
It's been 3 days out here. No signs of other life. I'm tired. I'm cold. New update. I found a weapon. This is how I've been getting my food. It's so cold out here. And my face is freezing. You have to be very careful on this terrain not to fall. Oh my god. It's a wild fox. It's a wild fox. Let's get out. Ow! Ah!